Alright guys, there you have it. Already made 3 cuts with it, and it's not that bad. I mean, this is an old piece of wood, so this is way harder than cutting a new softer piece of wood. So let me go ahead and give it another cut. This will be the 4th cut. Yeah, that's not a bad little saw, let me tell you. But the limit of what you could cut is probably a 2x4, because you're not gonna go any deeper with this saw since it's only the 5.5. But yeah, so far so good. Can't complain. I mean, for DIY projects, this is good. I don't know for if you're a professional or having to use this every day, but on the weekends, this will work.